In this video, we will be understanding about the format of the formal letter, which we have been studying since the previous video. So we have studied that the format will be like, first there will be the address of the sender, we have to leave a line, and then we have to mention the date. Now, as I said that we will be considering this to be our page on which we will be writing our application or the letter as desired. Now first we said that on the top left corner we had the sender address. The sender's address was followed by date after leaving a line over here. Then we studied that there were two ways in which we write the date. The format was clear. Now again we have to leave a line and then we have to mention the receiver's address. First we have to begin with the sender's address. After writing the date and leaving the line, we have to begin with the receiver's address. The receiver's address will first have the name of the receiver. So first we will have name of the receiver. The name of the receiver will follow the designation. Designation means the post at which the receiver is, and then we will mention the address. So this is the format of the receiver's address. Without leaving a line in all these, we first have to begin with the name of the receiver, the designation and the address of the receiver, and then leaving a line, we will begin with dear sir or dear ma'am or simply dear, or we can say simply ma'am or sir. So these are some of the ways in which we can begin our letter. Dear sir, dear ma'am, by simply saying dear, ma'am or sir. Now example of receiver's address can be depending upon the letter that you are writing. If it is letter to the principal, then name of the receiver will be the principal. And here, we will just say the principal. We will not write the name and then we will write the address. But if we are mentioning, if the letter is to write the letter to the editor, then again we will say the editor, then the designation and then the address. Like suppose again I make one more page to explain this better. All this remains the same. I am just explaining you the receiver point. Here I say the editor. Now suppose the editor is of the Tribune, so I will say the Tribune. And then I can begin with dear sir or only sir or only ma'am, anything that you wish to. Again, this will, my bad. The Tribune, then we have to mention where the Tribune is located. So I will say Chandigarh. This is the complete address. Then we will leave a line and then we will begin with dear sir or ma'am, whoever you are writing the letter to. So till here is the basic heading of the letter, that there will be a sender's address, a date, name of the receiver, address of the receiver, and then we have dear sir, dear ma'am, whatever you want to write, whatever you wish to write.